Check me, guys. I have just made the Mariyam crystals to you. Look at this. It is the Mariyam crystals. This Mariyam crystal, and this be just largest point of on this on a river, on this mountain, and this everyone is just this historical stone. It is not. It is very rare piece. It is not actually the spinach. How can you just put this? How can thread it this? This is Marian Mobs crystal stones. This look, you check me. You have in just that, and the threadable stones. This last is the largest crystals. This it is very rare piece. This price is not. It is price is not valuable, but this stones is it is very rare pieces. On this all just history. This Mariam crystals says. If you look as just threadable, just one is pop stove set here.